Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ajay Sharma. So in today's video, I'm gonna discuss determination of adoptive mother in certain cases, section 14 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. If you are new on this channel, so hit the like and subscribe button for more legal updates. Section 14, determination of adoptive mother in certain cases, where a Hindu who has a wife living adopts a child, she shall be deemed to be the adoptive mother. If a Hindu man is already married and his wife is alive and he adopts a child, then his wife will be considered as the adoptive mother. For example, A adopts a child and his wife B is alive, so B becomes the adoptive mother. Second, where an adoption has been made with the consent of more than one wife, the senior most in the marriage among them shall be deemed to be the adoptive mother and the others to be stepmother. If a man has more than one wife and all wives give consent for the adoption, then the senior most wife in the marriage will be considered as the adoptive mother, and the other wives will only be stepmothers of the child. For example, if a man has two wives, and first A and then B, and the both agree for the adoption, and A will be the adoptive mother and B will be the stepmother of the child. Third, where a widower or a bachelor adopt a child, any wife whom the subsequently married shall be deemed to be the stepmother of the adoptive child. If a man is a bachelor who is never married, or a widower, wife has passed away, and he adopts the child, then if he marries later, his wife will be only be considered as the stepmother of the adopted child. Fourth, when a widow or an unmarried woman adopts a child, any husband whom she marries subsequently shall be deemed to be the stepfather of the adoptive child. Basically, if a woman is unmarried or a widow and she adopts a child and later she gets married, and her new husband will be considered as the stepfather of the adoptive child. So that's all about section 14 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. If you found this video really helpful, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more legal updates. Okay, bye bye guys. See you in the next video.